Hi, in this second video on the various dimensions of National Education Policy 2020, we are going to talk about the use of digital technology and its integration in education. So let's watch it. The National Education Policy 2020 envisions an education system rooted in Indian ethos that contributes directly to transforming India sustainably into an equitable and vibrant knowledge society, thereby making India a global knowledge superpower.
With a focus on holistic development, innovation and technology is a much awaited intervention that will strengthen India's higher education system.
The Digital India campaign is helping to transform the entire nation into a digitally empowered society and knowledge economy. With NEP 2020, educational technology will play an important role in the improvement of educational processes and outcomes.
New technologies involving artificial intelligence, machine learning, blockchains, smart boards, and other forms of educational software and hardware will change what students learn in the classroom to how they learn.
The creation of the National Education Technology Forum to coordinate digital infrastructure, content and capacity building will be a milestone in making education accessible even in remote areas. This will help bridge the digital divide, which will facilitate a healthy exchange of ideas on the integration of technology for learning, development and assessment.
With e-courses that will be developed in 8 regional languages, the push towards digital will not only personalize learning but also help strengthen creative thinking and problem-solving skills, which are imperative for the future workforce.
Improvements in accessibility due to an extended focus on digital learning will also provide momentum to the government's Right to Education Act.
Technology-based educational platforms such as Diksha Swayam will be better integrated across schools and higher education with rich variety of educational software in all major Indian languages.
Artificial intelligence and machine learning are expected to change the way we live and change the way we educate students. Technology thus in education is a journey and not a destination, and capacity will be needed to orchestrate the various ecosystem players to implement policy objectives.